guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. I look crazy, but this is actually get ready for me to go somewhere. You guys know I don't really go anywhere, but I was invited to a Jersey themed birthday party, and it starts at 9 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock now, and I live an hour away. So I was told as long as I get there before or by 11, I'm good. I'm good. So I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me. I'll show you the outfit at the end actually. But if you want to see my get ready without me, make sure you have your notification bells on. That's all, because they always drop in the shorts. I'm talking too much. So guys, if you're ready to get ready with me to go to a Jersey themed party, keep on watching. I primed my lids. I used a lighter, as you can see, concealer. I just got a new concealer. It's still my Tarte Shape Tape. This one is light medium honey. And you guys know I usually use tan sand, but tan sand is more like, honestly, my complexion. So I did have to go a little lighter, and I just used it to prime. Absolutely running late because it's 8:07. My plants, as long as I can leave here by 10 o'clock, I'm good. But my hair is going to take the longest, and it's shit. I gotta comb it. We was outside. It started raining during our walk. Needless to say, a lot will be off camera. So it's a Jersey theme party. I do have my top on. It's a Ooh. There you go. It's Kansas City Chiefs. So I'm wearing red. The back is black and gold. So we're gonna, those are colors. And I did my nails, which is like, you guys. Anywho, so those are the colors we're working with. I have to go into my Nomad Cosmetics Orange Express palette. Guys, it's a get ready with me, not a tutorial, but you guys will see almost everything I'm doing. So I'm going through enough. That's my washing machine. Also put Barris in for the night because he's a puppy. Going into Roaring 20s, I'm just gonna go ahead, and this is gonna be our transition shade. I forgot how soft this palette is. I still have the travel size as well. But yeah, this palette doesn't really need a lighter concealer. It's just what I've been doing. And I just put the concealer down, so it's still very tacky. But yeah, if you guys saw my skincare video, my most recent one, it's already brightening up those marks, and they were so dark. They're still really bad, but it made me very much uncomfortable. I think I'm gonna drag it on the inner corner. Why not? And I think I'm gonna do like black on the outer corner as well. Definitely will have to cut the crease with this, and I'm just gonna be using the same concealer. I haven't been outside in a long time, but the person's birthday, I actually went to school with them, like middle school. So, you know, no new friends. But they're also Lawrence Turner's cousin. Like, there's like lots of reasons for me to go. Lots of reasons for me to go. But also lots of reasons for me to stay home because I don't like going outside. And it's very hot and nasty, which is like making it hard for me to want to even do my hair. Because I want to curl it. I want to comb it and curl. It's just easier than keeping it straight when in this humidity. Like, it's really nasty out. Like, really nasty. During my walk with Barris, it was raining, but it was so hot and nasty that the rain, like, it felt good. It was very, like, drizzling. It wasn't even raining that bad, but I had to get inside before it got, here we are, before it got bad. Looks insane, but I'm gonna go into my Sephora Pro Pigment Palette in Warm, into Obsidian. Again, the back of my top is black. I will be wearing black jeans. I was kind of thinking, like, what kind of shoes I wanted to wear. Sorry, that noise is my washing machine. It's giving me an error message. It's really annoying. Torn between what kind of shoes I wanted to wear. I didn't know if I wanted to wear my Bred 11s because they're red and black. I could wear, yeah. That's really what it was. Or just some white ups to keep it clean. But I think because it's like the KC is white, I think I'm just going to do the white ups to make it easier on myself because I really don't care too much. And my jeans are so long, it's gonna cover most of it. But I didn't really want the black on black for this. Yeah, so sorry. Obsidian E36, you guys already know. We're gonna hit the outer corner and a little bit of the crease. Now, I don't know if I want to do a red lip or just like a nude pinky lip. I was thinking a red lip, but that may be a little bit too much with this eye. So I'm just gonna have to see. But it's so hot down here. Barris has my fan. Like, I gave him my fan so that, you know, he'll stay cool. I've been thinking about getting this. He's gonna get a cooling pad, but I think for me, I think I want a cooling blanket. I want to try it. If you guys have tried a cooling blanket, let me know in the comments down below if they actually work, because I really want to try it. I think that's enough. I'm just deepen this up. Yeah, I really want to try a cooling blanket. I also need a portable AC for my bedroom, but portable ACs are so expensive. Who wants to spend $500, $600 on portable AC? Look what I did. Y'all see that? And this is so pigmented. That's the kind of day I'm having, just so you know. Right, and I just use a clean brush to get rid of that. I didn't really do anything else, but it looks really funky, really crazy right now. It'll look a lot better. I'm gonna put gold on the lid as well. Don't worry about it. Y'all need to trust the process. When y'all don't trust the process, y'all try to make me look crazy, but it's really y'all. It's y'all the problem. Boop. So I'm just gonna finish this one off camera, cut the crease, finish up one eye, because like I said, I don't got time. We're back. Do I look crazy? Yes. Off camera, I just added some concealer to cover these dark marks, and I'm letting it sit. This eye's pretty much done. We have the crease cut, we added the gold, we touched up the outer corner. Let's do that right now and add my foundation, because I got to go. I was pussyfooting around, dicking around before, but now we gotta go. So I'm going into Istanbul, which is really, really gold. Really gold. I added, let's add a little bit more. I didn't use a shadow primer. I didn't use like a glitter primer or anything. It's just that girl. I also went with some micellar water to clean up around my eye, because we gotta get a move on it. I checked GPS. I have to leave by 10 o'clock, or like right before 10 o'clock to get there on time. Make sure I definitely have to get gas, so I probably have to leave by like 9:40 at the latest. Have to find parking. I do need to take pictures of this. I'm trying to get content done. I have a video ready. It's just waiting for approval, even though it's been a week. I'm ready to tell them that I'm just gonna put it out. But I feel like I haven't been having as much makeup content on here, or not as much as I want, like tutorials, or you guys know what I mean. But there's been, you know, I'm trying to mix up the content, but we're trying to stay, you know, stay true to this. And I'm just gonna go back into my Pro palette, into the Obsidian shade, and clean up the outer corner. My dog is acting a fool in his crate because I'm walking around. Usually at this time, it's bedtime, so he'll be in there good, quiet. I'm definitely gonna let him use the bathroom before I go, even though he should be okay because he's used to it. He can hold it for the night. We're not a little baby puppy anymore where he used to pee in his crate. Even when I used to let him out, he would pee in his crate in the morning just to be spiteful. Barris is just that kind of guy. All right, I think this is good enough. I'm gonna go in with my She Glam Complexion Pro foundation, and I'm gonna go a little bit more. I have some on my forehead, but it's hot outside, so I don't really want to use too much foundation to begin with. I almost went into my Milk Makeup Skin Tint, but I'm like, It's a party. I know they're going to be taking pictures. I want something a little bit more full coverage that I don't have to build up, even though I kind of... Y'all see what I did. But yeah. So I'm just going to blend that out. And guys, if you don't know, a brush is how you get full coverage, not the sponge. I use a sponge for my concealer because I don't need that much full coverage, but yeah. And concealer is what's really going to clean up the under eye, because I can really get up in there with my sponge. But yeah. So right now we moving. Let's get the time check. It is 8:35. My hair is really gonna take the longest. If I can half-ass it as best I can, I will. It's just that it's so humid that I feel like anything I do is just going to be a mess by the time I'm ready to leave. Here's my, oh, my eyebrow's itching. I don't know what my dog is doing. He acted bad. Noticed some streaks, but yeah, going in with my concealer. We're gonna highlight the face. Now, I did have to go, I've opted for a light concealer, I should say, because my foundations, everyone that I really like are so warm. Even the Fenty that I tried after years ago, which this is like the perfect dupe for. They just no longer have my perfect shade. Like, they got rid of it. And it's not easy to find a foundation with like red undertones or that's like more neutral that I like. Let's do that. I'm not saying they don't exist, that I like. A lighter concealer definitely helps like helps me get like, ooh, it's a little like a better match. Helps me really like get up in there, you know. Now I'm gonna blend it out. I really have to rush. The rest of this is probably definitely going to be off camera. I just don't have the time. And I don't really know what I want to do for the lower lash line. Thinking the black. Yeah, I'll just keep it black. I kind of want to put a pop of color in the waterline. Maybe white would do. Because I don't think I have a red. And I don't think I want a red in my waterline. That's more of like a vampy look or sickly. Going through some things. It's looking crazy now, I promise. I promise I tie it all together. I always do. Don't ever question me. Okay, now that looks super highlighted, let's get the chin a little bit. Get a little. And a little dumb. I'm gonna go off camera, finish this up. I'm gonna finish blending this out. Finish with all my powders. Trust me, I'm not gonna look this crazy in the end. Actually, I just need to finish up because recording takes so much time. It's 8:40. Remember, I don't have that much time. So I'm just gonna come back, show you guys the final look, and we'll give a little final fit check before we sign out. And we never do that. Look at me. Girl. Okay, here's the final look. I'm so sorry, y'all. Everything was going wrong. My hair is dropping. It's so hot. But here's the top. That makes it a jersey. And I'm going to bring my Nintendo bag. I was torn between the Nintendo or my crappy meal, but I think the Nintendo was just a better fit. Close. But when I say I was just about to leave and realize I did not close my video, I didn't close it out. I really just, you guys never see me like this unless it is for like a short. But if you like the video, make sure you like the video, guys. I was supposed to leave about maybe 20 minutes ago, so I'm definitely going to be cutting it really, really close. I can't even stop for gas. I have to get gas on the way back. But thank you. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. I'm going to throw on some white ups, but I have on my Crocs right now.